Hello guys. Ẹ̀yin tá Jagungbadé one. Ẹ̀yin tó lu ọmọ ìjáyà sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀. À ń lébọ̀ lẹ́yìn Jagunlabi Àbíkẹ́ lára wájú lọ pòpòpò. Ẹ gbà yìí. Welcome back you all. I'm sorry for that disconnection. I actually went out. I went celebrating one of my brother's birthday with him. He's you know, he's someone close to me, and it's his birthday today. So just pardon me that I came out too late. And you can see your queen now just like the village. Yes, your baby's going bully. Look at you. Let me give the phone to someone to show you my photo. Yes, you're gonna like it. Okay. That's all we got. Okay, about me, Danny. Hold on, guys. So that's why we can't let's go home today. We're going house party. Yes, Showcase in the Bulu brand for Michael is all for Michael. So I'm going away party today. Do you like what I'm wearing? Yes, so I'm going party. So contact Michael for the Bulu brand, another brand ambassador for Bulu. Trust me now. Anyway, people, thank you for joining me. The network isn't that fantastic tonight because I'm not home. I came celebrating my brother's birthday with him. Yes, he's one of my adopted, you know, big brother, and I have to be here. So thank you all for joining me. We just have to do it our way, you know, tonight. So thank you very much for coming out to Abike Shaban show. How is your week going? Happy pass on to the line. I miss you all. Honestly, I'm just trying to put my Abolaja Abiodun. Yes, so my looking trendy. Olu ọmọ Kafata Jagungbadé one. Any other Jagungbadé is a counterfeit. Bí n bá joyè yìí wọ 80, 85 ilé gbé fẹ́ anybody. Tí n bá ka mọ́ anybody lọ́wọ́ màá ní kàn lọ bá mi chop ẹ ṣá wọ́n jẹ ju ẹ wọ́n jẹ wọ́n. So Olu ọmọ yìí gangan lélẹ̀ Àbíkẹ́ Jagaban one. Ìjayà wọn sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀. Olu ọmọ gangan. À ń lébọ̀ lẹ́yìn Jagunlabi lára wájú lọ pòpòpò. Àwọn tèmi kún bíbá rẹpẹtẹ gọ́lẹ̀ yà ń ṣayé lọ ẹ ṣá mọ̀. Bí ẹ pọ́ lọ ò sí mọ́. Olu ọmọ gangan. Sisi Dorcas, headmistress tó yáyé ẹ ṣá mọ̀. Orí ìyàtọ̀jú yìí náà ní nǹkan bí gbàgbórí yìí jáde mi gan. Orí yìí ní rọgọjì. Àtọ́jú kò ń gbà àbí báwo náà ṣe ń ṣe ṣá mọ̀. Irúnmọlẹ́yìn tó ń fẹ́nẹ́ sí ṣe mouthwash. Olu ọmọ Káfàtà. Thank you very much. You like my face cap? Yes. It's bully. I'm going bully. You like my t-shirt? You see the back of my t-shirt is really lovely. I'm going to put all the pictures out later for you to see the complete, you know, Bulu outfit. It's really nice. So, guys, you can actually Google bully.com. Yeah. BuluTrendyOutfit.com. Just search. I'm going to put all the information out after this video. You know, thank you, Anolu Aqua. Thank you. You like my polo? Yes, so how I for do that? Oh my yes, amo. Everything you know, nǹkan yìí sílé o. Mi de fẹ́ máa show ojú gbogbo àwọn tèmi tó wà níbí báyìí sí. Èrò ya pa níbí báyìí. But mo fẹ́ show ojú wọn. I'm going to, you know, sing a song for my guy at the end of the day, but not now. So good to have you all. Thank you. You like the Bulu? Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, it's all about Bulu today. So how are you all doing? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Jami ṣẹjọ́ my. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ network yóò bàjẹ́ jù náà ṣì lè ló bẹ̀. wàá gba ìyáláyà gbogbo wọn mọ̀ mi àrólé Jagaba fúnra rẹ̀ olú ọmọ lẹ́yìn Àbíkẹ́ Jagaba mo ní ìyáláyà wọn lóye kọ̀ kó sọmọ onítọ̀hún ẹ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ fọ́gà yín anyway báwa ṣe ń ṣe láṣẹṣe máa ṣe lọ ẹ ṣáàmù. Alábíkẹ́ ò tọrọ aṣọ lọ́wọ́ wọn Jàṣàngélé mo ní Jagaba ò tọrọ ẹ̀wù wọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín òye Ṣàṣàngélé mo ní bẹ́yìn lógún ẹrú Àbíkẹ́ ò níwò bẹ́yìn níwọ̀fà ọgbọ́n Bàṣírà lọ́kọ ìyáláyà yín o Ṣàṣàngélé bùẹ́mí èébú òzo Jagaba lọ́kọ ìyá wọn o Ṣàṣàngélé ọmọ yóò rẹ níbọdì ọkọ ìyá wọn náà ni ó máa yóò yóò lè yí padà ẹ bá gbọ́ ọkọ ìyá wọn yẹsẹ gbórúkọ ẹkẹ sákòwòkòwò gbẹgbẹ ẹ̀yin ọ̀tá ayé mi ẹ̀yin ọ̀tá orí Facebook ọ̀tá social media ọ̀tá dúdú tẹlẹ ní nísìmí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti rí